7 reasons why you should consider Python language over others. 1. Code that is readable and maintainable. To make maintenance and upgrades easier, you should focus on the quality of the source code when creating a software program. Python syntax rules enable you to express concepts without writing additional code. 2. Different programming paradigms. Python, like other modern programming languages, allows a variety of programming paradigms. It completely supports object-oriented and structured programming. 3. Compatible with the major platforms and systems. Python now supports a wide range of operating systems. Python interpreters can even be used to run the code on certain platforms and tools. Python is also an interpreted programming language. 4. Strong standard library. Python outperforms other programming languages due to its vast and robust standard library. The standard library allows you to select from a wide choice of modules based on your specific requirements. 5. There are numerous open-source frameworks and tools available. Python, as an open-source programming language, can dramatically reduce software development costs. You can also leverage a variety of open-source Python frameworks, libraries, and development tools to save development time while increasing development costs. 6. Simplify the development of complex software. Python is a computer language that can be used for a variety of purposes. Hence, you can use the programming language for developing both desktop and web applications. Python can also be used to create complicated scientific and numerical applications. 7. Implement test-driven development. Python can be used to quickly construct a software application prototype. Furthermore, by reworking the Python code, you can construct the software application directly from the prototype.
Please drop a like and subscribe for similar videos.